Yo, what's up guys? Today let's customize a gaming theme for your Windows 10 PC. With that being said, if you end up liking this video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel and let's begin the show. So to start up with, the primary look is provided by the wallpaper we choose. So I've chosen up this set of wallpapers, so I'll be providing the links in the description for each and every application and the themes that I'm gonna use here, so you can simply download it. So simply apply the theme and you'll have like a set of wallpapers that will be like shuffling up. So you can simply click on them and set timer for your desired change of wallpaper. So you can also shuffle them if you're interested to do so. So I just prefer to shuffle those wallpapers. So as you can see, I've just changed up the wallpaper and it's working absolutely fine. You have these incredible wallpapers from the games itself. So next up, let's go ahead and hide up these desktop icons. So to do so, go to the themes and untick the my computer and the recycle bin, and that would hide up the desktop icons. So once done, you can also go ahead and install the Rainmeter. Rainmeter is one of those popular applications which lets you install widgets that are completely customizable. So once you're done with that, you can go ahead and install up these widgets or themes, whatever you call, from the Rainmeter. I'll be providing the links in the description. And also go ahead and hide up the taskbar so you can like have a pretty cleaner look. So once you're done with that, go ahead to the Rainmeter and start enabling the widgets. So right up here I have like CircuitOS2. These are like providing up a horizontal bar with widgets. You can also like choose up according to your customization preferences what sort of things have to be displayed onto your desktop wallpaper. So the essentials that are needed for me, I'm just gonna load them up onto my desktop. So once I'm done with that, you can also go ahead and launch up the Spectrum 3. You can also load that up. So in order to customize each and every button on the Spectrum, you can right click on that and click on launcher settings. That will open up the notepad. So once you're into this notepad, you can simply like go to the specific application and copy up the directory of the application. For suppose right up here, I'm just gonna like paste up the application of Photoshop directory, so that once I click the button, the Photoshop application automatically opens up. So the location is right now copied, and you can simply paste that app into that into the notepad and save the notepad. So once you're done with that, next time you click on the button of Photoshop, automatically the Photoshop application opens up. So you can also do the same thing with each and every button right up there and customize each and every application you have. Once you're done with setting up those all, you are good to go. So the next time you just hover up your mouse onto the top of your screen, automatically the Spectrum launches up and you'll have like this list of buttons right from gaming to utilities. You can choose up one of them, and that's how simple it is. You can simply enjoy it. Do check out this wonderful theme, guys. Links will be provided in the description. This is Hemant Raj signing out for now. I'll catch you guys next time. Till then, peace out.